G'day everybody. I've put together a bit of a board to show the different types of shore connection polarity testing that's available on the market. I've done a mock-up of a pillar with the outlet with a RCD on it, IP56 fittings, the tag, and your inlet to your boat. Once you connect that up and you turn the power onto all these, your boat will have something similar. I've done a mock-up of a pillar. They all fundamentally do the same thing in regards to the tell you the polarity is correct. So the green light's on here, the green light's on here, the green light's on here, and the power is available to the main switchboards. There's Eshore at the top here, a simple light indication, and same with this device here. Polarity correct, polarity incorrect. If the polarity is incorrect, this device will lock you out and won't be able to allow you to energise your vessel. So what I'll do now is I'll switch over and I'll reverse the polarity on the pillar and I'll show you what happens. Straight away you'll notice that the top and the bottom ones, there's no more power going to the main switchboards. You've been locked out reverse polarity. This device here, the polarity light comes on, but you've still got power onto your main switchboard. So it's really up to your owner, the owner of the vessel, to make sure that he disconnects. But this doesn't meet compliance because it doesn't lock you out. Underneath the standard it should say that it prevents this light from generating. With this device, you need to get an electrician in to sort it out, to rewire the light and find out what's wrong with it. Things to take notice of is that when you look at the polarity, the current running through the earth. So the earth on here is showing current running through the protective earth, currents running through the protective earth, no currents running through the protective earth. These are all just monitoring devices. So current runs continually through the protective earth, and underneath AS3000 is not permitted. AS3000, it specifically says current shall not normally run through the protective earth. So these two devices are purely monitoring. It doesn't do a momentary test, whereas this box does do a momentary test. Eshore is the only one is on the market, and if you reverse the polarity switch, you can see it goes through the test procedure, the switchboard comes back on, your vessel is safe. No, you won't get electrocuted when you switch over polarity. There's another interesting point about this device here, which I found a bit curious. I thought, okay, because it's all a printed circuit board, I thought, well, let's have a look to see what the voltage is it's putting in. 50 volts, that's really good. It's a low voltage, a lower voltage than the 240 volts. But I also just quickly checked, I said, I wonder if it's putting out DC voltage because of the circuit board. And I was surprised to see it was 13 volts coming out of this device. Now that's 13 volts going into your hull of your boat. Your boat's just been turned into an anode. So anything that's a less noble material, it'll turn the cathode. So your neighbour's boat will start fizzing away into similar metals. If you're not next to a boat, then you're not connected electrically through the earth in particular. When you connect into shore power, your boat will start fizzing away. You lose, the anodes will go quickly, start getting pitting in your propeller. It's going to cost a lot of money. For that reason, I'm very skeptical of this device being suitable for the marine industry.